Now, do you like a man with natural hair or a Jerry curl?
No pillow stains.
Wait,
No stains on the
I
pillowcase.
used to have a curl. That's not attractive. I mean, it wasn't a curl, but
I
it was
have
like,
never.
it was nice.
Look, even if you put hair grease in your hair,
But I had the
I don't like none of that.
dark skinned bars looking going on. It was nice.
Skin DeBarge.
Dude said the bar.
No, he's on the dark skin DeBarge.
Ooh, and I like it.
Gosh.
I mean, people like it. I thought, at least.
It was funny.
So I got a question. What's the
It
difference?
was sexy, wasn't it?
What's the
Slid
difference
right in there, didn't it?
between you said confident, right? So what's the difference between confident and I guess arrogant?
Confident and arrogant?
It's
I
a
personally
thin
think
line.
it's a matter of
So easy. Can you back it up?
Ooh.
That was the easiest question in the book right there.
Well, I
Can
don't.
you back it up? Because if you can't back it up, it's arrogance.
I don't know about all that because
If you can back it up, it's all that confidence.
She said it in other words. Beyonce said,
Ooh,
"You got a big ego."
unfortunately.
Nah.
Beyonce, we're not talking about Beyonce right
but I get it in.
now. We're not talking about Beyonce right now.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ego as big as her booty.
that was Irvin, not me.
I listen to the radio too.
I don't even know what the radio is.
Man.
Mine is turned to
listen to Pandora.
the Christian station, 106.5.